Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Ako, okay lang ako habang nag-upload ng short video. Hi everyone! This is Mrs. Jennifer Makurema ka YouTube channel. I am here right now at Jizan Province, Saudi Arabia. I am here at Fort Employer for 10 days ago. As of now, I am finish all my works, just waiting my madam to reach home. Then at 3 o'clock morning, I will sleep. It's my sleeping time. Please share and like my channel.